Hello, my name is Phil Hoffer and welcome to my channel, Grow Your Dough. I want to help you to make your plans for the future become reality. Perhaps you want to build a rainy day fund, buy a new car, secure a deposit for a house, pay off your mortgage, change careers, return to education, gain a second income stream, retire early or secure your retirement. Maybe you're planning to start a family or have recently become a parent, and so perhaps you want to build some funds for your kids to contribute to their wedding or their education, or to help them secure a deposit for their first home. If that sounds like something you're interested in, then stick around. I've been investing in the stock market for over 20 years now, and it has been truly transformational for me and my family. I'm not a financial professional, I'm just an everyday guy that became interested in investing. I truly believe that everybody should be given the chance to do that too. But don't take my word for it. Here's what Albert Einstein had to say about the transformational force behind investing. Einstein said, "Compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. He who understands it earns it, and he who doesn't pays it." So my job is to help you understand the power of compound interest and to help you consider ways in which you might harness that according to your risk profile and the amount of time and funds you have available to you. But why now? Well, the internet has changed everything. In the 21st century, the growth of the internet has brought game-changing access to services, data and educational material. The resulting democratization of access to financial markets and the increased competition has resulted in the driving down of costs associated with investing, which means those even with modest funds can start to benefit from compound interest. I believe there are fantastic opportunities for anyone that can simply follow a set of rules. I hope to show you that you don't need to be a genius, you don't need to access inside information, you don't need to be an accountant or a financial professional. And I'm going to let you into a little secret that annoys a lot of the proper investors. I hope to show you that you can follow an approach supported by services that screen the market for companies that meet a set of criteria. And it could be that you know virtually nothing about the businesses you invest in. Don't believe me? Perhaps you're intrigued, and I'd love for you to come along for the ride. If that grabs your interest, then please subscribe to the channel, and if you click on the bell icon down below, you'll get notified every time I publish a new video. To be totally transparent, I'm not looking for any money from you. I'll produce content that I hope is interesting and informative. If I do a good job, then this channel will grow, and I might receive advertising revenue as a result. It will be the case that I'll signpost you to services that are key to my approach, whether that's a service for company research, or a stockbroker that will allow you to trade on the stock market. I may well receive a referral fee if you decide to use a service through a link I provide, but I will strive to be transparent when doing that. I recognise that there are barriers to entry for many people when considering investing in the stock market. Examples can be a lack of funds, fear of losing your hard-earned money, a lack of knowledge, questions such as how do I invest, what type of investment is best for me, which companies and what country should I invest in? It's overwhelming. I hope to be able to provide you with information that will help you to decide whether investing is for you. I'll try to cater for individuals who are new to investing, as well as experienced investors who might be interested in my approach. I'll also try to highlight strategies for investors who are time poor and investors who have limited funds. But for me, getting started is the main thing. So if you're interested, I'm hoping to provide information that will help you to be less overwhelmed and more confident. What I won't be doing, I won't be selling you anything. I'm also not giving you advice to buy or sell anything. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor or a financial professional, just some guy on the internet. I'm hoping that this channel will play some part in helping you to become an independent and autonomous investor that understands your approach so you can take control of your investments, harness compound interest to grow your dough so you can secure your future. Thanks for listening, and I hope to see you again soon.